Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty meets expert insight. If you're a fan of natural-looking radiance with a touch of sophistication, then you're in for a treat. Today, we're exploring the Perricone MD No Makeup Bronzer. This product promises to deliver a subtle bronze glow, mimicking the warmth of sun-kissed skin without the heavy makeup look. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Perricone MD No Makeup Bronzer is a liquid bronzer that's designed to give you a natural, radiant finish. The key feature here is its sheer coverage. It's all about building a glow that feels effortless. The formula is lightweight, making it perfect for those who want a bronzed look without feeling like they're wearing a full face of makeup. It comes in a dropper bottle for easy application, which I really like for precise control over how much product you use. Looking at the ingredients, Perricone MD stays true to its reputation for quality skincare formulations. The bronzer is infused with skin-loving ingredients like vitamin C ester to help with brightening and pyridoxine HCl to soothe the skin. So you're not just getting a makeup product, you're getting something that actively benefits your skin. I tried it during my morning routine, applying a few drops to my cheekbones, temples, and the bridge of my nose. The texture was smooth and easy to blend, almost like a serum. What I loved about it is how buildable it is. One drop gave me a soft, subtle glow, and with a couple more, I could create a more defined bronzed effect. The product itself is sheer, which is great for a more natural look, but if you're someone who likes a bit more color or intensity, you might need to layer it a few times. It's definitely not a heavy, sculpting bronzer, but if you're after something that enhances your skin's natural warmth without looking too made up, it's spot on. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, the Perricone MD No Makeup Bronzer is incredibly lightweight, and I didn't feel like I was wearing makeup at all. It blended seamlessly into my skin, and the formula felt hydrating without being greasy. I also love how it provides a natural, healthy glow, nothing too orange or fake looking. On the flip side, if you're someone who prefers a more dramatic bronzed look, this product might not be intense enough for you. You'll need to layer it up, and even then, the coverage is still quite sheer. The dropper can also be a bit tricky to control at times, and you might find yourself spilling more than you intended. Now let's consider the price point. Perricone MD is a high-end brand, and with that comes a price tag that reflects its premium skincare and makeup hybrid approach. While it's definitely more expensive than drugstore alternatives, the formula is nourishing and skincare driven, so you're paying for more than just makeup. If you're into clean beauty and prefer products that care for your skin while providing makeup benefits, then it's worth the investment. When it comes to alternatives, there are definitely options that provide a similar bronzed effect, but they might lack the added skincare benefits that Perricone MD offers. For example, products like Fenty Beauty's Sunstalker Bronzer or NARS Laguna Bronzer could be a good choice for those who want something with more coverage and a deeper finish. They're still great products, but the skincare benefits here make the Perricone MD a standout for those who prioritize skin health alongside beauty. As for build quality, the dropper bottle is sleek and easy to use, but it may not be the most travel-friendly option if you're worried about leaks. The formula itself is long-lasting though, with my glow staying put throughout the day without needing touch-ups. So, should you buy the Perricone MD No Makeup Bronzer? If you're after a natural, dewy glow and appreciate skincare-infused makeup, then absolutely. It's ideal for those who want a subtle warmth to their complexion without feeling caked in makeup. If you're after a more intense bronzing effect though, this might not be the one for you. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this bronzer, drop a comment below and let us know how it worked for you. And remember, you can find the link to purchase in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.